Hello friends, this is FJ Graphics. I want to teach you how to create this simple profile image using ChatGPT. So first I'm going to open my Google Chrome, then type chatgpt.com on this search bar, but I've already saved it here, so I'm just going to click ChatGPT. Now my ChatGPT is open and I'm ready to type in my prompt. But first I'm going to insert the two images I will use for this prompt. So I'll click this plus here, add photos and files. I'll go to where my pictures are saved. The image is loading. Once it is 100%, I'm going to click on the plus again to insert the other image. Here's the other image. I'm going to open it. Alright, after uploading the two images, I'm going to type in my prompt here. Now, if you want this same type of image that I got, you're going to type in the same prompt, except you want something else. Okay, so let's type in the prompt. All right, now after typing the prompt, I'm going to send it and wait for ChatGPT to analyze the prompt. All right, here we go. So here is our image. So I'm going to download the image here. All right. All right, that's already been downloaded. So I'll open it and look what we've got. All right, guys, if you learned something new today, tap the follow button because I'm going to teach you a lot of things about graphic design. But for now, goodbye.